Flip Your Worth TV, back at it again. New day, new vlog, same hustle. You know the motto. So today is another On the Hunt vlog. I'm over here, just pulled up to a property that they trying to get me to buy. The sellers, it's a wholesaler. I bought properties from them before, but they have one here that needs tons of renovations, and they know that's my forte. So they've been reaching out to me. They haven't been getting a lot of activity on it. So I came here to look at it. I mean, the numbers got to make sense, but we'll go over that at a later date and time. So for right now, I'm just here. I'm gonna walk through, show y'all what it's looking like, and at the end of this, you tell me if you think I should move on it or not. But yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna walk through the front of the house, and we'll start from there. All right, so here we are inside. This right here, I'm assuming it's just gonna be like your living room, open area, family room. What I do like is that it has the high ceilings. That's definitely a plus. So when you come here, you put your electrical in, you do the recessed lights, it's gonna make the space feel really big, really open, and nice and bright. Over here, I don't know what this is. It looks like they have it set up as a family room. It could also be a bedroom. I think there's 4 bedrooms upstairs, maybe 5. But if there's only 4 upstairs, here's your option for your 5th. Let's see. They sent me the plans, the architectural plans that they had, but I briefly looked at them. I'll look at them again now that I'm here. I'll go over it and see what it looks like and make sense of it. Right here is the garage. So obviously you have your doors here, come in, they got a back door out to your door, obviously a back door to the backyard. Got your little entryway right here, which if I get it, I will probably, I gotta see where the plumbing is at, because you can actually make this the laundry room area. Or that space over there could be the laundry room area, but I actually think that's set up for a bathroom. I see the doorway right there, and I think this is gonna be the kitchen. So if this is the kitchen, it makes sense to just have your bathroom right there, because the plumbing, you can run the plumbing right along the same wall. Me personally, being that the backyard is right here, which I'll show you in a few, I would open this up and put double doors. It looked like they at one point had doors here, because I see they have the 2x4s tied together. So it looks like they did have it like that at one point. I'm not sure if they changed it or they just wanted to board it up, whatever the case may be. But I would do that. Now, they do have another door over here, which is, this is the kitchen. Then it makes sense that they had a door here so that you can get access to the backyard, which I'll show you. Here's the backyard, but we'll get back to that in a second. If this is the kitchen, I may close this up, because I don't know if it's actually necessary to have that door right there. Because if I do the sliding doors over there, it don't make sense to have 2 sets of doors on the back like that. Not when they're within feet of each other. And then another thing about having the sliding doors here, if you've seen me do it on other houses, you get all that natural light coming in. So as you see from the front door, you get it's a straight shot where you get a view of this whole front area and pretty much the whole first floor. And you'll be able to look straight out into the backyard, which I can explain the things I would want to do to the backyard, which will make that view make a little more sense. And you'll understand why I'd like that that look from the front to the back. Because out here, as you see, you got the little deck. I mean, this is the 2nd story above this. Definitely putting a 10-foot fence here to block this house out, because it's definitely an eyesore. And then this right here, I'd plant some tall trees, probably get about 20 feet high, just to completely block that out over there. And that'd be perfect, because then you don't have to have them looking all in your yard. It's not the biggest yard, so you definitely want to have your privacy. And when you have a 2-story house that's backed up on a fence like that, I mean, you just have no privacy in your yard. Those trees would be good, because you'll completely block them out from looking into your yard. And why I want to do that is because this area, I'd like to put a pool. So it's one of two options. Either I'm gonna do a pool over here, like a small pool, or I would do a long pool over here. So it could go one of two ways. Let me show y'all this angle. So you can do a pool along the backside like that, going across the span of the yard, which will make it look really big and high end. And then over here, you can have like a grass area, do your outdoor kitchen. Here, being that it has the covering, I would do like sectional couches, do a sectional couch right there, throw a fire pit right there. And I think if you have your sectional couch right there with the fire pit, now you looking straight over to the pool, and you can look over to the entertainment space here, and you can make this a little grass area and do concrete. So you definitely got some options. Like I said, this is the garage. Let me take y'all upstairs. Looks terrible now, but there's a lot of potential here. And if you see my other projects, then you know I'm not afraid of this. These are the type of jobs I like. I like taking something that looks terrible, that nobody has a vision for, and bringing it to life. So you come up here, you have like an open space. Now what's dope about here is I can put like a pool table here if I wanted, and just make this like its own entertaining space within itself, because you got a window here, you got a window there. So you definitely have a nice view, a lot of natural light. So let's go this way. Let me count how many bedrooms is up here. So, come to the staircase, you bust this right. You got a bedroom right here. As you can see, your closet is right there. That's one bedroom. Come down this hall. You got a second bedroom right here. You see the closet over there. Go this way, you make a right. Got your third bedroom right here. Closet right there. Okay, you got a window here to look down, see somebody's in the yard or in the garage. Nice big picture window here in the front. This whole tree I would completely cut, because it's dying and it's just a waste. I don't need all this tree here. It's not a huge yard in the front. And I want to open this up. I'll probably do artificial grass, do a whole new concrete driveway, just to liven it up, bring it back to where it needs to be. So we just counted 3 bedrooms. Come through here. Now, I'm not sure. I got to look at the plans, because I'm assuming, I don't know what this was supposed to be. Maybe it's just a closet, because you have one here too. But I'm going to assume this was built to be the bathroom. I got to look at the plans again. I know I keep saying that, kind of talking out loud, but talking to myself out loud, I should say. But yeah, the plans, I mean, I'm pretty sure that's going to be a bathroom. This, it could be a closet. It's a pretty big closet, but I got to see if that makes sense, because I would assume right here, this is your master. But if this is your master, if you come in through here, what is this? Is this your bathroom? I don't know. It's a big space up here. I mean, if it is your master, it's definitely fire because you got a crazy master suite, which that could be the whole plan of it. It could be a master with his and her closets. That probably is also the option. Because you have this area right here, then you could make this a closet, or maybe just a sitting area. You turn this into your bathroom. So you put a crazy big walk-in shower, vanity, soak-in tub. And then when you come through here, obviously there's a doorway. So this could be your master closet. You can close this off right here and then put another door to make that his and her closets. It's tricky. It's definitely a unique layout, and I'm very curious to see what they was doing here. You can see it needs a roof, like it was started, but they definitely didn't finish it. You see all the light coming through, and they didn't finish with the putting the base layer of the roof up. So yes, it definitely needs a lot of work. Definitely does. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the walkthrough of the place. I wanted to show it to y'all. This could be my next project. I am very interested in it, but to be transparent, there's some things going on with this property that I need to find out about. One of the things is they told me that plans were submitted. The plans that were submitted were for new construction, supposedly. But this was an existing property. So when there's an existing property, if you're using the same framing, even if you're adding on, then that's a remodel. You don't need new construction permits. So the fact that they're asking for new construction permits tells me that something else is going on. And then I saw some pictures of the work they was doing on it, and I'm like, oh, okay, y'all might have took too much. Y'all might have took too much off of it, which is why they wanted new construction permits. So I got to look into that. But more importantly, they told me that they submitted new construction permits already. I called the city, and the city said that they did not receive any permits. And these people are saying they submitted permits months ago. So something about that ain't sounding right. And for me, if it don't make sense, it's because it don't make sense. So I got to look into that, see what's going on. And for a project like this, typically other investors would have jumped on it already. So the fact that nobody's really jumped on it, I definitely feel like there's something going on. So I'm gonna find out all those details, and once I know something and I got some concrete evidence on what's going on, then I'll make a final decision. But for now, I gave y'all the walkthrough. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you think I should get this property. Tell me if you think it's worth it. Tell me if you see the vision that I have, and tell me if you like the plans that I told you I would do with it. Tell me all of that. In the meantime, subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell for notifications so whenever I drop a new video, you'll know right away. And on that note, I'm checking out. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Flip Your Worth TV. Holla at me on the next one.